everybody, this is Brad with your Child Track support team. I wanted to show you how to use the foster home and parent search tool from the licensing homepage in this video. So if we come up here, go to Homes, Licensing, Licensing Home, click the foster home parent search link over here on the left side. The first thing we want to do is expand the search criteria and just go through and make your selections. These are filters, values that you want to search for. So you could choose branch office, or you could leave it blank and it'll search all of your branch offices. Status, you can filter by status as well. In this case, I'm going to do active to make sure we get some data returned on the report. And I'm going to go back to a little bit, do a expanded date range to make sure I get data on the report. But you can search or filter by initial license date, license expire date, within these ranges, current license date within these ranges, so on and so forth. You can also search by closure date within these ranges, so on and so forth, with all of the other options up here. And again, this is for homes at the top. You can also filter by presenting issues that this home supports. And then down below, you would search for, you have the option of searching for parent values, like parent demographic information such as name, birth date, social, but also driver's license expire date between these dates, auto insurance expire date between these dates. And same with the buttons up top for homes. You can filter by inquiry source, inquiry status, withdrawal reason, during the pre-licensure period. So once you've selected your criteria or your filters, which I've done, initial license date, I want to see my active homes in Dayton with an initial license date between 1/1/2000 and 1/1/2016. Come down here to search results, expand that out. And so I want a branch office column, I want the names, and maybe I want the status as well. This is secondary and primary parent, first and last name. And then you just go through your options and choose what values you want to return. Now obviously based on what you selected above, you would select down here as well. So we'll do current license date, maybe license expire date, and initial license date. And these are foster home values to return. Down here at the bottom, if you filled out any criteria for the parents, you could select what values of that you wanted to return. Click the search button, and then once it's completed, the CSV file button will pop up here. If you click that, it opens in Excel. So we'll pull that over here, and then here you see you have your search results. And then obviously in Excel, you can do with the data, you can sort and filter even more if you'd like. But we have the home branch office over here. Home status is active. That's the criteria I chose. Let's say you'd chosen active and closed. Obviously it would list that here. Or if you didn't choose any of them, it would show all statuses based on the criteria you chose. We have their names, and then their initial license date, current license date, and home license expire date. So that concludes the video on using the foster home parent search. It's a very valuable tool from the licensing homepage that allows you to search basically based on any criteria that's home and parent data values that are entered into the system. You can search and filter by those values.